Hey guys, so this is video update number 2. I haven't been able to do a whole lot with the game since last week. Things have been kind of busy, but I've done a couple things, so I'll just kind of go ahead and show you what I've done. I have more than one puzzle in the game now, so it's not always, table or whatever that one word was. I was just using that for a test, and so now I've kind of added more puzzles in, so it's a new puzzle every time, and I'll add more. I think there's only 20 puzzles in there right now, so when I release it, it'll hopefully have a couple hundred. I have the puzzle answer here, so it's every, so we can do that. I also have some sound effects in there, so I don't know if you can hear that, but they are in there. So that's pretty cool. This button, of course, adds in the correct letter and zooms. On the keyboard also, this is pretty cool, and I'm still working on it. It still has a couple bugs, but I'll go ahead and show you. For example, the word is zooms, and so the Q, A, and T, those are letters that are not in this puzzle at all. And so when you check the word, of course, the puzzle moves down a row, and these letters on the keyboard actually turn red, indicating to the player that those letters aren't even in the puzzle. And so that's pretty cool. And so if they are in the puzzle, they'll turn green, so that's pretty cool too. But I also want to go ahead and put kind of redo it so that if, for example, this puzzle is ours, so the O is in this puzzle, but if I put it in the wrong place, so if I put it in column 3 instead of in column 2, instead of turning green, I want it to turn orange to indicate that that letter is in the puzzle, but it's just in the wrong column. And so that'll be cool once I get that in. And of course these turn red and everything like that. So I've been kind of waiting on the art. I have an awesome artist finishing that up right now. He sent me a work in progress image and it's just amazing. And I'll go ahead and show you at the end of this video, but I've been kind of waiting for that. And once I get all that in, I'll be really pumped and I'll be able to kind of push ahead. And we have power up ideas and everything, and the score indicator, so you might get 500 points here if you solve it in the first go, and maybe 350 if you solve it here, and 300 and 200 and 100. So different point systems and everything like that. The keyboard looks really cool and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much all for now. I did redo a lot of the code, so that way it's easier for me to change it up later on, especially as I get close to release. You guys know that the code can become cluttered and everything and hard to keep track of, and so I redid a lot of it so that way it's easier for me to, for example, add more rows. So if I wanted 6 rows instead of 5, I would just drag on the little actors and it would take care of itself. So easy stuff like that. I also redid the lowest empty column finder. I found an easier way to do it with the new table functions, and so it's faster and there's only 2 lines of code instead of maybe a whole rule with a lot of change attributes and kind of calculating things. It's pretty simple now, and so that's redone. It's a lot quicker, more reliable. So yeah, that's about it. So let me go ahead and show you the work in progress image here. Okay, so here it is. This is just a work in progress that he sent me. Actually, he sent me a new one, and this isn't the new one. So, but you can kind of get the idea. I think it looks awesome. You have the awesome keyboard here, the check the word button, and this button will pretty much remove all the letters, so you don't have to go back and kind of touch each column to remove the letters. You have your score here, and the indicators will be on the side here. The power-ups will be on the right side. The guesses button, if you tap that, it'll pretty much, you forfeit that word, and so it'll go to the next word, so you don't spend time on this. So yeah, it looks really cool, and I can't wait until I get that art so I can keep going and pushing forward. So yeah, that's about it. Let me know what you guys think, and I'm looking forward to creating the next video shortly.